Hi, I'm Tenzin,
And I'm Harper.
and we're from the Santa Barbara Middle School Teen Press. And tonight we're here with.
Gabriel.
Nice to meet you. So, what was your film about?
Oh, can I have? I don't know. So my film is about an English teacher I had when I was a child. I'm from Mexico. He was a U.S. citizen, and he go to teach us English classes. And over the time, his behavior started to turn a little bit aggressive until he stopped attending the classes, and after that, he doesn't appear anymore. So the people asking who was really Charlie. So that's why the film is called Who is Charlie? It's a documentary, it's a short documentary and also a thriller and true crime story.
What conversations do you hope your film sparks within the public?
Uh, I hope the people enjoy my film. That's the first. But after it, yeah, I want to let the message on the people that there's there's no all good in letting or trust in people we don't know. We need to be more. I don't know how to say desconfiado, untrusted on people
Yeah.
because they can be bad people and can have bad intentions in your life. So we must, yeah, know better the people.
What do you think makes a good film?
The rhythm. Yeah, I think there's no good topic or bad topic. There's no good music or bad music. It's just like the rhythm of the movie. If that's a good rhythm, you will seeing the movie because it is a good movie. But if it doesn't have rhythm, if that's the most interesting topic in the actual times, you will not keep it because the rhythm is the most important thing.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much. It was amazing to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.